Hey guys, welcome back to Pandas Data Diaries. Today I want to show you a quick hack that might save you a lot of time when you have to convert a multi-line string into a Python list. Because we all like Python lists, right? Once the data is in list form, you can do whatever you want. But how to do it? Let's assume you get this list from someone or from the internet or whatever, and you want to convert it into a list format. So you could, of course, basic thing would be to just do this manually. Add this, and then go to the next line and do this. Like that would be the most basic approach. Would work, but takes a lot of time. Version 2 would be if you're using Jupyter Notebook, you could use the multi-cursor and mark all of these here and just do this and jump over or something, and then here also add these and then add the comma or something like that. But yeah, this would be another approach, also not recommended. What you can do instead is just say here we convert this into a string, just add these, and at the end also add 3 of them. And so this is already a string now, a multi-line string, and now we can just use a simple command which is called splitlines. And you do this here. So as you see, it automatically converted all of these items here to a list. It added this first line here because of, if I do it like this, shouldn't do that. See, now we have it, and you can get the first entry, for example, by doing this. Quick and easy, but really a time saver. Hope you like this short hack. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again soon on this channel.